hotter than the devil's own.
Yep, back out here in the heat.
I went ahead and decided that I was going to go with the same theme as the fence there. And then we'll have a gate.
We had a dream many years ago to live life away from it all, to have some sheep, maybe a cow or two, with cats and dogs and goats and an occasional moo.
And then we'll have a gate across the sidewalk and a 16-foot gate there at the, or a 12-foot gate there at the end. So, yep. Let me get these boards on.
She said these dogs need a fence. It's hotter than the devil's own. She got up early this morning, said she wasn't coming home till it was done. I said, good luck, baby. She said, love you, honey. She kissed me on the cheek, jumped in her side by side, left a cloud of dust, and all I could see and sweat dripping, and 4x4 post stacks, nail guns spitting out 18 gauge on that east side pasture grass. Lord, have mercy. I said, good luck, baby. She said, love you, honey.
These style of fences are called Kentucky fences, Kentucky split rail, 3-rail, whatever. What you do after you put these up is you cut your posts and then you put another board that goes over the top of these, like each of those boards over there. So one that goes down over the top, and it just goes down the length of the bottom rail, from the top rail down, and those go on where they connect at, and it hides any connections. So that's what I'm working on right now. It's getting these rails up. On the other side of the fence, I'm going to have the black wire, woven wire fencing. And yeah, I changed my mind. I decided it'd just be easier this way, and doing it with the same style as our pasture fence. I'm out here painting the fence. It's all going to be black so that it just lines up with the other fence and matches. Then I'm going to cut the tops off and paint the tops, and then I am going to run woven wire. So let me get this painted, and I'll pick you back up when I am done.
On the cheek, jumped in her side by side, left a cloud of dust, and all I could see was 12-foot rails and woven wire down that stretch of land. Hand-built wooden dog fence with love from her own two hands. I said, good luck, baby. She said, love you, honey. She kissed me on the cheek, jumped in her big side by side,
because latex,
Yeah, it looks good.
latex
You
paint.
did a really good job on this. Is that where you're putting the fence though?
Huh?
That? And here? What are you gonna do here? A swinging?
It's gonna be a sliding,
The rolling?
yeah, rolling gate.
Alright.
Well, I'm almost finished. I'm so excited. I can't stand it because it is hotter than snot out here. I have a live tonight
This is painting.
and I'm painting in white pants, and this paint gets all over everything.
It's doing
This
good.
is the paint that I had to scrub off of me with fingernail polish remover.
Doing real good.
So anyway, this is tomorrow. I will probably start working on the gates, figuring that out, or running the wire. It's just really heavy wire, so if I can figure out a way to do it myself like I did before, I'll do it. So I'm just gonna figure out, it's either the gates or the wire tomorrow. That'll be my last video of it when I do that, because I'll probably combine the two. But hey, I thank you. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Just showing you, even a 68-year-old grandma can,
Great grandma.
great grandma.
Yeah.
I'm not a great grandma.
Not yet.
Great grandma can get out here and do this stuff, because you know the Bible has a lot to say about older people. We earn our gray hairs. But anyway, I thank you. and I hope you'll hit the thumbs up.
Like,
Not
follow, subscribe,
Yeah.
share, leave a comment.
Leave a comment below. Please leave a comment. It really does help. And thanks.
Hey, Dad.
Okay. You see any scuff marks anywhere?
No, you did good. You did real good.
Yep, it's all finished. And there you have it. How to build a fence in a couple of days.
I said good